Hello, I hope this finds you well. Um, so this is our system um, with the website. So this is our landing page, all about what we want to do. So people can simply come here and sign up. But at the moment, I've already created your account and I am currently using it now. So I have an email address which I created from Mafundla Media. So in order to access your account, you just put in your email address and also your password. But as soon as you have access your password, you can change it here freely. So what we're going to be doing is signing you in. And then as you can see, the moment you enter the store, you are able to get on to the store, and also here you will be configuring your business. So I've already taken the liberty of adding a book, which is Unyaka Wesetembiso, and then you can add brands here and cancel, of course. And then we also have categories. So you may sell novels, you can also sell what you call is a disc. So if you want to add another category of the same product, it can be the same brand but in different in different aesthetics. So in that sense, we will be adding a disc version, which is a category, of course. And then that'll be success. And then you come back, and here you can also manage your customers and you can also manage your banking details. So if you click here, this is the invoice configuration. So these would be the colors that you send to your clients after you've built them or you want to build them for a certain amount of products that you are selling at that time. And now you will also be able to add your own logo, change the color scheme, and also save the details. Here you'll be able to enter your banking details, which will be shown on the store, which will show shortly. So you will also be able to link your address right here on the system. Furthermore, we have a shop configuration. So here on the shop configuration, what we are doing is we're basically allowing you to configure the way that your shop would look. So you would have a cover